Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can properly clean off any form of gum or glue off your lace frontal or lace closure. So the first thing I like doing when cleaning my lace closure or frontal wig, I like to use the candle oil. Just deposit it through where the gums are on the frontal or the closure wigs, because the client that actually used this, I think he wore it for a long time and did not actually remove the gum, so the gum is so hard on it. So after doing that, use my hand to spread the oil through it. I leave it for like 2 to 5 minutes, and after then I use the brush to brush it upwards, just the way I'm brushing it right now. If you can see what I am doing, I just brush it upward. What that does is to soften the hardness of those gums on the lace closure wig or frontal, and try to take it off, take like 50% off already. So I just, after brushing it, you could see how it looks far better than what it was the first time. So after doing that, I put shampoo. I love using the Tresemme shampoo. You can use any other shampoo anyways, but I love using the Tresemme. I just massage it through the frontal where the gums are, and what this does is to remove any form of stickiness out of the frontal wig, out of the lace frontal wig or closure wigs. Just wash it. After doing that, you rinse it through it, and you will notice that like 85% of the gum is already gone off the wig. So I don't like washing my wig. Look, see how nice that looks. I don't like washing my wig and then start feeling any form of stickiness on it. So what I'm doing next is to add a condition to it, also the Tresemme condition, and then I'll use my fingers to massage it through. So what this will do is to take out any other form of gum or residue, any other form of stickiness off the lace frontal wig or a closure. If you're watching a closure, this method you can use it for a lace closure wig or a lace frontal wig. So after doing that, I'll just leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If you want, you can leave it longer. So after you've left it for that 3 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, when you go back, you will see that you will notice that you can actually use your fingers to pick out the gums that is left on the frontal, on the lace frontal or your lace closure. You can easily, if you have time, you can use your finger to pick everything off. But what I'll be using today is the brush. I'll use brush to brush the gums off. You can also use towel to do that, but what I'm using today is the brush. So just brush it upwards, and when you're doing that, please be gentle with it. If you do it hard, if you rest the brush on the lace too hard, then the lace wig will be, the hair will be coming out from behind the wig. Then you'll be losing a lot of closure or frontal. So don't do that. Just be light with it. Brush it. You can also do it circular motion as well. If you're not brushing it forward, you can do it circular motion. After doing that, you rinse it with warm water. Please be sure to rinse it with warm water, hot water, but not too hot. So just be sure to rinse it with that. And after then, you will see that you're having a brand new lace frontal or closure wig. So you can see how nice that really looks. It looks good. I almost want to bite my tongue. So that really looks very, very good. So after doing that, I washed the wig. If you want to see how to wash wig, you don't know how to wash wig, I actually do a wash day on that same day. So I'll be leaving a link there where you can actually wash it, and you can see how clean that frontal look. It looks like a brand new frontal, well cleaned. So like I said I washed a lot of hair on that same day. These are the hair, about 6 different wigs for clients, and they really came out really beautiful. So if you don't know how to wash a wig, I'll be leaving a link where you can actually watch the video on how to wash your wigs. So if you've watched this extent and you've not hit the subscribe button, please and please again help me by subscribing to my channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up before leaving my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. And this one also washed. So guys, that's all I had to do today.